welcome to the mix. And on the mix, we have Dwayne. Now, Dwayne is saying that he fought tooth and nail for some of his followers, and God is an on-time God because they have been putting him down, trying to put him down, trying, saying stuff about him for a while now, and he's saying that his family is a praying family and God will come through for him, and it may not be now, but later on, so he's holding the faith and keeping the faith. So go check out his video on what he has to say, and remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and click that notification bell so when I post, Have a great night.
See, God is an on-time God. One thing I know, my family are prayer people. They pray a whole lot. A whole lot. Thank you to all of you. Thank you to all of you who curse me out. Because I promise you, all of you who cuss me out, Nationers, you too, all of you who cuss me out, the plank of people who cuss me out for talking the truth, all of you who says I'm at the bottom of the food chain, all of you says to me who me have to live pandana name all them something. Thank you. Thank you to all of you. It's because of people like you why nowadays I don't care anymore. I don't care. I don't care anymore. I've been told you guys there's no loyalty on here, and it showed me there was no loyalty. You know how I know I went tooth and nail. I fought tooth and nail for some of you on here. And the way you people treated me, I'm like, wow. Not saying I was doing anything because I wanted acknowledgement or nothing. I did it because it was the right thing to do. It was the right thing to do. I swear to you guys, a lot of people who've treated me, a lot of you who treated me wrongly on here, I don't think I can ever forgive you. I don't think. The way you people tore me down, tore my page down. God is awesome though. God is awesome. God is awesome. God sits high and look low. Absolutely. Absolutely. I've been keep the faith, Sharon. Sharon, I've been keep the faith. I've always maintained one day I will get the vindication I so longly desire. One day. Thank you to all of you though. Thank you to all of you who tore me down. Thank you to all of you. I mean that from the bottom of my heart. Thank you to all of you, because without you people treating me the way you was treating me, it would have never made me strong. Like I would have still been weak as hell. And everything I bar like a baby. Perhaps because I was seeking you people's acceptance. One on the can go on. All of you can go. I wish you well. I wish all of you well. Including you two, 13. I still wish you well. I still wish you well, 13. Remember when I came out and I said to you guys, the channel was hidden, right? I did tell you guys, right? I got called. They maybe some me have AIDS. They said all kind of things because they wanted to tear me down to make Gracie look good. That's what they wanted to do, tear me down to make her look good. And absolutely, yes, it did work. It did work on a lot of them. It worked. A lot of you believed it. A lot of you believed it. Vindication is an amazing thing. Vindication, the best thing ever. 13, too little, too late. Too little, too late. I don't hate you. I don't hate you, 13. Big up to you, Elegant, and by Chrissy. I don't hate you. I just know I don't think I can forgive you for a lot of the actions you took against me, knowing damn well I was talking the truth. You know what I wish they would have asked her? Was Dwayne telling the truth about the whole YouTube issue where she called me cussing at Donna, and her and someone else was on the other phone listening. Luckily, the other person was on the other phone listening, confirmed what I was saying, and 13 cost me as I lie me I tell. Honest to God, it's only because they've now decided to part companies. Why all of a sudden we're now hearing this 13? I still don't trust you. I did before. I actually had a level of respect for you. Yes, I heard you said you wanted to get me out of battle. I know, to be quite frank, I feel like you did me a lot of favors. All those times you were saying, if Dwayne don't pull away from this person, then we're gonna get them in a battle. I'm gonna say, Lord Jesus, maybe I need to pull away from the both of you, because clearly the two of you don't mean me well. The two of you, well, not so much you, but the other one wanted to hold on. I'm on the live. I'm on the live. Alright. I'll call you back. Listen, all along, I